The old sunglasses will return, I promise, but I got these sunglasses from a local business called Great Sunglasses. Now, I've gotten plenty of things, with sunglasses and all this, but this company actually really stood out to me because their motto is good quality for a good price. And I'll link that all down below in the description if you guys want to check them out. And, we got Father's Day coming up, and if you want to give these to a dad, that it doesn't have to be your own dad. Go up to any dad, or assume it's a dad, and be like, hey, you want some really good sunglasses? Happy Father's Day. And I think these will work really well. And, you can stare into the sun of these beach day. It'll look really good. Obviously, they work well. And with the motto, I vibe with that, of course. The name, I vibe with everything about them. So if you want to check that down below, I'll link it all in the description. And you guys are going to check that out. But let's get into the pickups now. Oh boy, what cringe is Tristan bringing us today? What is going on, everyone? So today, in this video, I'm going to be showing you all these pickups. And basically, there's recent pickups. Maybe you guys have seen them for a couple seconds in recent videos, or you've seen them, but you want to know what they are. So today, that's what the point of this video is. I'm going to be showing you all some items, explaining them, why I like them, or maybe why I have them, I guess. Some of them I don't like, maybe, but I can just sell them. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you're new, of course, as said a couple days ago, I always tell people it's optional to subscribe. And in this video, it's mandatory that you all subscribe. So in case you guys subscribe and drop a like, that one's optional. But yeah, let's get into this video. I hope you guys will enjoy it. All right, so my first pickup I'm gonna show you all is probably my most anticipated one. Is my first Palace pickup ever, and it is a Palace tee. The official name is the Split T-shirt, but I'm actually gonna try this on and see how Palace is, sort of if I like Palace. So if I could open the bag, maybe. Here we are. We have the Palace skateboards tee, and if you guys see this right here, it just says, it just says Palace. And on the back, it has a sick logo right there. If you guys can see that, Palace. Actually, I really like this tee. I'm gonna put it on, probably wear it for the rest of the video. Take this off. Right here, Palace tee, and this is really comfortable. Dang, Palace is, this is Supreme, what I was wearing. This normal cotton tee, but whatever material this is that Palace uses, I think I might have to start buying more Palace. This is just super comfortable, and this is by far the most comfy t-shirt I've ever worn. And no, I'm not just saying that because Palace is sort of, under the thing of HYPEBEAST, but it's actually comfy. I really like this, so good quality, Palace. I really like it. I'm fairly genuine when I say I don't know if the rest of my pickups are actually going to be able to top this tee, but we do have a Supreme North Face headband, as you guys can see right here. I believe it's from Spring Summer 17, as you guys got the logo right there. These headbands are worth like $120 if I'm correct in the condition on this, considering it's probably worth like 110 or 100 or so. And the quality is really nice in this. Again, I'm not a headband guy, as you guys can tell. This is just a no.
Oh, I can't believe you've done this.
Obviously, my hair would have to be much longer, and it had to be wintertime, because wearing a headband in the summer is a terrible idea, and I also just wouldn't do that to myself. But we got some more pickups, of course. Aside from the good headband, we got some stickers, and we got this Kate Moss sticker right here. It's worth about 40 bucks. A really nice sticker from 2012, so we're gonna put that there. And then also we got some undercover BOGOs, all for sale on my reselling page in the description. So we got some BOGOs from here, some MLK stickers from a tee I'm actually gonna show you all later, so you guys probably can hint on that. Lawn chair sticker, and then there's a poppy seed pack, very basic, nothing crazy. And this one is from a month ago, really old pickup. I haven't shown it though, at all, I don't think. I may have, but very briefly. Supreme Scarface hoodie from my friend Ian, shout out to him. And basically, as you guys can tell, has the opening to the movie on the back of it, the whole script. No, I'm not gonna read it out for ad run time, or just get to 10 minutes. I think this video should hit 10 minutes anyways. If it doesn't, whatever. But basically just has the opening to the movie on the back, and then a little BOGO right there. And on the front, obviously, pretty important scene, and I've forgotten the name. Say hello to my little friend. There we go. There you go, Tony Montana. Now y'all can tell. But yeah, I'll just put it on, show y'all what it looks like. Not really a hoodie guy. But I have worn this to school once, I think, and it was pretty comfortable. And actually, it's one of the hoodies that looks decent on me. But again, I'm not going to wear this for the rest of the video, or I may, because actually it's a bit cold in here, so I may decide to, but actually, no, the white didn't go with the black, so I'm taking this off. But that is another pickup, the Supreme Scarface hoodie, one of my favorites, and it's definitely going to rise in value as the movie gets older, and this collab gets older, Supreme Scarface. I think it'll go up. But moving on from that, we have another one that I've shown plenty of times, and I plan to actually collect every single one of them. It is the Supreme tonal tee. It's embroidered in one of my favorite tees. I'll try and get as close as I can to show it to y'all, but here it is right there. As you guys can tell, it has a little Supreme embroidered, like right, it's all blue. Y'all probably can see it, but it's like right there. You guys can see a bit of embroidery. It has Supreme embroidered on it. And it's one of my favorite tees, and there's 8 colors. I know it exactly because I want to collect every single one. There's 8 colorways, and I have the navy one first, and I'm planning to collect every single one there is. No. It's the 3rd time you've told us. And when I get every single one there is, that is going to be a dope thing to my collection. It's a goal, hence why I've been reselling so much lately, and just getting rid of a bunch of stuff is so I can get every single one, which is going to cost a good bit, but it's nothing, like, it could be the same cost as, like, a TNF parka. So if you think about that, it'll be harder to get, but it's going to be a really good thing when I get all of them. But moving on from that pickup, again, one of my favorite tees of the season, when it's embroidered, Supreme New York. It's good quality, and I just like it in general. It's really good. And having objectives, like, to grow a collection makes it so much easier to grow your collection. Like, when you have goals, you start going for everything harder. And if you guys sort of get what I mean, hopefully that didn't come across wrong. When you start trying harder, I guess is what I mean, you start reselling more, putting everything you can into just trying to complete it. But moving on, enough motivational speaking. That's not what I'm here for, other than this comfy palace tee. This is actually so comfy, I'm serious. But we do have the Dream tee. This was from last week, and basically on the front, it just says MLK right there, Martin Luther King. You guys should know. Right there, and it says 1963, 2018, don't let the dream die. And then, you know, me and my friend Ian were questioning if we wanted to keep them, if it didn't have it on the back, but it has it on the front. Actually, on the back, it has it really big right here. And since it has it on the back, it makes it that much more dope. It's just HYPEBEAST logic. But this is definitely not a HYPEBEAST item. It sat for a while. It's definitely a slept-on item. And if you think about it, it's going to go up in value, I think. I mean, yes, it is questionable because it sat for so long, but you got to think about it. It's MLK. Collaborations like this are a big deal. Or not collaborations, but pieces like this are historic. They're a big deal. And if you think about that, like the Sidney Sherman one that sat for 8 hours in Supreme, or like I think a whole day, now going for like 800 as a set, and 2 of them together, and people thought they were crap. So if people didn't like this, it'll go up, I think. So we got the Don't Let the Dream. I stutter so much. Don't Let the Dream Die tee right here. Dope design in my opinion, and I love, obviously, red is my favorite colorway. So I should have gotten the red tonal tee, but I got the navy one because that was what was still available, and I still love them all. We've got this super dope, and definitely gonna keep this one for the personal along with all these pickups. Fold this baby up. I gotta set this one down nicely. And then finally, another pickup right here. This is a size large, but it's Supreme. I picked up so much Supreme, I need to chill out. At least I got some palettes now to add some sort of variety, barely. I'll pick up some more sneakers soon. But we have this tee right here is the Gradient Art tee. I've not taken it out of the bag yet, and I don't plan to. But here it is, Gradient Art top, size large. Because I think this one may go up. I don't know. I mean, I may keep it dead stock for a really long time, depending on how long I stay with Supreme. You guys can see it just has this blue. It's a teal-ish colorway, and then it just has like all the orange, and then like sort of fades in blue. Obviously, the gradient goes from white to blue, so it's hence the name. And it's a pretty dope item, but again, large didn't fit me. So I'm actually willing to sell this right now. So if anybody wants it in the comments, just type down below, and I'd be willing to sell this for a steal. And yeah, my last pickup, I'll show you all this one right here. The last pickup of the day is me picking up my cat. This is Abby right here. Say hello, Abby. Say hello. Leave her on the table. She enjoys being in my videos. She typically hits the camera tripod a million times each video, but she hasn't. She's been really good. So it's my last pickup. It's a cat. I got it from Supreme. Resale's about $1,000 on them. And yeah, it's a pretty expensive item. They like napping, and typically they sit here like this. Cat, really good pickup. This last one sort of added to the collection. Bit of variety, but again, it's Supreme, so nothing crazy. Anyways, though, thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate it. Me and my cat both appreciate it. She wants you to subscribe. Again, it's written in the Constitution. And she also wants you to go check out great sunglasses. If I could open the box, I would show you all them again, which I'm gonna do it, I promise. Here we go. Got it. Go get some sunglasses for any dad. Doesn't have to be your dad again. And yeah, they look good. So me and my cat, I want to say thank you all for watching. Hopefully y'all enjoyed seeing what I pick up. Let me know some of your recent pickups. Maybe you did a video on it. Link it down below. I'd love to check them out. And yeah, thank you all for watching. And me and my cat want to say peace out. Y'all have to admit, this is an adorable cat. It's hard to get her like to sit in this picnic table like this, just be adorable. I love cats. Didn't initially, but now I like cats. Okay, first off, I'm exhausted, but secondly, and more importantly, I'm going to be announcing the giveaway winners fairly soon. I think it ended today, and I'm going to select them tomorrow, because I need to get some sleep after editing this video. And when I then select them, I will email them, and I will announce them at the end of a video. Probably, I don't know, this is going to be tomorrow's video. I'm just editing it the night before. And whenever this video is out, basically the next day or the day after, a couple days later, the winners will be announced in a video by the end. So you guys can then check out the end of that video. I'll make sure to put in the title too, like plus giveaway. So yeah, just thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. And peace out.